selling is a lot harder than buying. I have made many, many more selling mistakes than buying mistakes. Okay. So what I have learned after all these arrows in the back on selling is basically be extremely reluctant to sell. Okay. If a company's valuation is fully priced, it's not time to sell. If it's overpriced, it's still not time to sell. It has to be absolutely and totally egregious, where you cannot come up with any way, cash flows and the valuation, to bridge the two with even heroic assumptions. So basically, a business is worth the sum of future cash it'll produce. From now till judgment day, discounted back. If some company is earning $1 million a year and the valuation is 200 million, you bought it for 8 million. Now it's 200 million. It probably should not have been sold at even 30 million or 40 million or 50 million, because that is within the realm of reason. Past 100 million, 150 million, you can let it go. So, but basically it has to be at an extreme. So we need to be basically extremely averse to selling. Now, if we have bought something where we have very clear evidence, the business is low quality, the people are low quality, the competition is intense, absolutely, you can. So we have to, the important thing with selling is separate the signal from the noise. So when you are convinced you have real signal and you don't have noise, a company can have a bad quarter, 2 quarters, 3 quarters, that's noise. But if there is integrity of management in question, if there is competitors eating their lunch and they've kind of lost their competitive advantage, they're no longer the low cost producer and all these things. So when things become secular and you're convinced they become secular. So one thing about selling is you don't need to rush. You can be sloppy on the selling. So if you find something is overvalued, whatever, take your time. Take your time to convince yourself that it's truly egregious. If it's just simply overvalued, don't do anything.